Muddy truck trouble.
La la la. Oh no! Look at me! I'm covered in mud all over!
Welcome to Tinkerbot Repair Shop. How can I help you?
Please help me!
How did this happen?
My body is a terrible...
Oh dear. I'll take a look. Is it mud?
I was trying to avoid a dog that jumped out. Then I fell into mud!
I see. Don't worry. I'll clean you up.
Okay, thank you so much.
Please wait in front of the car washing shop. The size of the truck is medium. The pollution level is severe. Blue. The pollutant is mud. Could we get started now?
Ready?
Spray water first.
I feel great.
Time for bubbles.
I like bubble.
Should I rinse with water now?
Uh-oh.
Correct. Let's dry now. Let's add some shine. Time to wipe. Car wash complete.
Wow, this is me! How cool!
Whenever you need help, come to Tinkerbot Repair Shop.
Yes! Thank you, Tinkerbot!
Bye-bye. Take care.
Goodbye!
Egg-splattered van.
Oh no! What's wrong? Stop! Please stop!
Welcome. This is Tinkerbot Repair Shop. How can I help?
Look at me! Please help me! It smells horrible!
Oh dear. I'll check it out. I'll clean you up. Please wait in front of the car washing shop. The size of the truck is small. The pollution level is very high. The pollutant is eggs. Spray water first. Now I should pull off all the eggshells.
Oh, it is so relaxing. I feel like getting a massage.
I am glad you enjoy it. Time for bubbles. I rinse with water now. Correct. Let's dry now. Let's add some shine. Tip through wipe. Car wash complete.
Wow, I feel cool.
I am glad you like it. Whenever you need help, come to Tinkerbot Repair Shop.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Take care. Taxi with a flat tire.
Oh dear. Are you okay, madam?
Yes, I'm fine. What happened?
I have a flat tire. I can't drive you safely. I'll call another taxi for you.
Okay, thank you.
What should I do? I need to fix my tire first.
Welcome to Tinkerbot Repair Shop. How can I help you?
Something must be stuck in my tire. It's flat now.
Oh, I see. I'll check it out. Please wait in front of the repair shop.
Okay, thank you.
Don't be startled. I just need to take a look at the tire. Let's see. Oh dear, there is a nail stuck in there. I'll take it out. Then fill up the hole. Now put it back. Let's inflate the air on your tire. The other tires too. All done. Now your tires are full of air and ready to roll.
I feel so much lighter. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Remember, always check your tires. Drive safely.
Yes, I will be more careful. Thanks again, Tinkerbot.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Police car wiper trouble.
I'll be right there. Where is the rain come from? No. My wiper is broken. I can see anything. I need to get this fixed.
Welcome. This is Tinkerbot Repair Shop. How can I help you?
My wiper is broken when I was on an emergency call, so I can't see in the rain.
Oh, that not good. Let's get you fixed up. Please wait in front of the shop.
Okay, thanks.
Let's see.
Oh,
Aha! A twig caused the trouble. I'll straighten the bent parts and replace the broken wiper. There, all set. But wait, your window need fixed too. Time to clean up now.
yes, I need it.
I'll spray water first. For bubbles now. And rinse. Time to dry off. Let's add some shine.
Shining, shining, sparkle and shining.
Thanks. Even the bird likes my new look.
You are completely clean now. Ready to back to action?
Wow, it's perfect. Thank you, Tinkerbot.
You're welcome. Be careful. Stay safe.
Will do. Bye.
Goodbye. Take care. Camper in a landslide.
Camping is exciting. Oh no! Occurred a landslide here. I'm trapped. I need help. Tinkerbot, please help me.
Welcome to Tinkerbot Repair Shop. What happened?
I got crushed by a landslide on my way to camping. Look, it is all dents and scratches.
Oh dear. It's really sad, but don't worry. We'll get it fixed up no time. I'll take a look.
Okay, thanks.
Let's see. Dents, scratches, and something damaged. Please wait in front of the car wash. I'll start by restoring the dented areas first. Then straighten the bent part. Remove the scratches now. Looking shining. Time for paint?
I want to look brand new.
Now, let's check your ties. Remove the stone first. Inflate the tire. Time for wash and shine. For some bubbles. Rinse with water. Add some shine. All done.
Wow, I look amazing. Thank you so much, Tinkerbot.
You're welcome. Remember, take care on the road.
I will. Thanks again. Bye, Tinkerbot.
Goodbye.
Camping is exciting.